nka ene di wanim eya na odwene ade bi ho a na o say I feel we obi a wotaka I feel and Joseph Osafor make catch o say sa adwene no yifi wadwene na ye say I think eya ye careful about emotions adwene no what they atinka na edi wanim I say we seem like grasshoppers in our own eyes. Young and Cassianim no, ye who say, ye emebe.
Yeni emrenkasu.
Yeni emrenkasuampa. Eti Sabria, where the Acasidian me too as ye. Men pesa what is our juni, ebe shawadrimu. Na emwa, a junior emfra, a junior emanquanim, a junior emfenshra embryo. Emotional reasoning will be any nadamfo. Enya akasakasa kakra. Na all the feelings na me koi obakasa da bi ono me emmam bio ana obi no yire ana ndikunu ono ntama san o se o me koi obakasa on pe bio adentia eye emotional reasoning what the atenka edi wanim atenka na abaye the interpretive framework eno na abaye the lens wo hweso na wa chekere wadwene ana watu anamo emwa se woma atenka ebeye fact in life emwa remember. Don't forget this. Anytime emotions become facts or feelings are treated as fact, you are in trouble. You are in trouble. Be careful. Anka sound from Swami ye in Kami ye bioda. Sebri betumi asanachia. Sound from Swami ye bioda. And nuntina wo Sompa Joseph Osafor. Menam Sompa 106.5 FM swap. Mede afuto mapa we won't talk we won't yaka on kotama bi me yan usika eye free asa kwa go fire a very edi one eye personalization obi one mo one obi twa ne ho a say adent no here stop adwenia emfra eno na me no ebe ka ho asem na mefa nimani bi ewo numbers 13
my asem open e pa approach no na mi so na su krobia ni agenti manyanja pa de bia wo fie o na menyi adumi
omanfo memomache mosomfo Joseph Osafor na matna so yi ana matna madwa so yi Sompa Rhapsody 106.5 FM or say Emma Aketia Pa Matana Sida Muse eye afutua emuda ho de eboa atenka eboa dwene de manyansa nti ase ne humu na ama obra ekoyie na gina yie obra bia aye basai bia no ye tenetere no de nambo anamo esisi na mo anim nso ayefe na enyam maka kire se obra afutuo nka ho no ya na ayubra ne amane nkwa ye che wasase ma hoto na dia okan yi awe ko ano obi a che wade bia ode be bose waton ode ko ton ko ye den ode akotwe wanum ye fa na delayed gratification and nan kwa na wote ase onya bibia na wani abre hu kitikiti na chese wani age ohun so obra yemunisa aka kire wo se obra ehihye obra ye depend to ho obra ye the spirit level to ho obra ye the sudia to ho. Live your life with a purpose. Anapa meni yakusia enete ha na se de bia ye no ya na ya ma freestyle ba kona boa wo na ya toaso enti akosia na enna no two no enna no two no two no eno a dem we are sound engineer akosia prof na anapa uni meka wasem me tie na me begusa as a prof na ne
and then na watch you no e dey na wo ma ye e wo Sompa Rhapsody
now fantastic.
Wow, because last week in prof me recap it was amazing. Then no akwa me post two they wo kan about the broca's area of the brain no anyhow phones ye de man kwada no etimi affect no ye kan ho asem kama pa ma ekoyie enti ye de to ho no the response was massive enti bi busasa na watching so de and last week is we be about parenting na very powerful our parents ni bebre ni ba omo ho so and then kwada no nyina o matam ni ade chese
wasosa danko wano me say much semina
ona afia to say cigarette just say nipa night to be to say cigarette about ani bia no oya o
akosia na otwi ne mami na meka ho asa
okay
na me fi ba konse
all right
me beka how to manage painful criticism say obi aka sembi na ayabra ya
and your poor batch na me no te ha go baby we say how to
manage
painful criticism just say obi aka sembi ewura watinkam
media men ko ba bia
ewura wutirim
men ko ba bia
ewura ba bia ma chese wutim sa ade wo da kora na wo so ho da
ya wo ya ma wo ti payo
hey papa we are ready
ana dey to me no na anger management
hey and this week there
are
loaded you say you who yare papa
anger abufu waka cheme na me de na papa bibi anka papa kan ye krede enti me de ba na na me de boss wo braw
papa sane ma we mienu nyina na ese ya brabo no
no pa
obi criticize wa vision asai
just because I'm in fiasim for yana a fefa or in the brain
okay
na madi 16 years na me software the meto preaching plan when we say me Pentecost
yes
o ha ni twa me funu and me first preaching me preaching for 37 years
okay
me first preaching me preaching you know me found 1 Peter 2:24 on one kasa na suya yembone me hunam di kodu ya no so say ye wu ma me bone a yentina sema
e matrene wa
say me god
you kaipa
first preaching no to ni nyina da
that now was 16 and I said
16
years wow
na me at 16 na I am keep you can say records
okay
tell me note
nyina tete die ni nyina
note nyina how my boy the yewi I'm just me who say my boy
we won him say nyame afa mu akasa hom ne sane the anointing breaks the hey you ne fine pa
just say me jam na so
won him say why nyame adwuma
me say my boy nyame adwuma
afa wie ya yes
me dana me ho ametena ase ape na me mbani panipa na obi a entra me kan say criticism say obi eka
assembly chiwo ana ye wo ya
no say every a significant person na wa hwe ne ya
ebe do there ebe prawo na so obi a wo bu no
papa
obi a wo di ani die ma no
papa
say wono ka asem ya
what impact on you maybe even na for about 10 years
wow
the way they fan say bia eba presla
yeah
na wa yadi bi na ya me ka kire na mo say na bia na me ka ne ma enyam bia we are breaking the person you are breaking the person and you know me we are anybody ka kire me say no kai I say was why bibiama I say was why bibiama on ye
the okatre wo no
what
who the wonim so akobo na say second Peter na first Peter
First Peter 2:24
First Peter 2:24 wonim so akobo First Peter 2:24
was say my ye
a significant person
na adem ehire like metis
ya a show.
And that was the day I mean who said because yeah physical pain and emotional pain. Na me if you who say oh
eyepe
the entire pen say match as in there. Adwene biaya say upra e Kenya na hono.
Yeah.
Sounds na asemo a ya e Kenya ho.
Oh,
the same place
na so bi bowa
Kenya
won ma wote say ye wo ya no sa na obi ka asem a ya ye hona na wote ne enti emotional pain ni sa physical pain no ye pe
the same
tinipa no won fa ne sankra mo na obi na no otimi de na no boa
na no kwa metumi abomo
otimi de na no boa
I say ko the whole night
wantimi ana
mentimi na me role kwa na bi na ade sama ya dio because so for kwa beji an ka say
why ya dio
this is wonderful akrakiti twa sama this is wonderful,
this is amazing
na ade na mani ni so for the energy
papa no ne asem bisa no
ba be kira asem le ade ntina madwene ani so for na
obo wa baso no.
Why was my mind drifted to niema na ye no and e be kira say
asema papa kan say owo 16 years o preachi wa sorry o wieye ne sofo bi bona baso pass wa ya ade ba san so na obi sofo foforo bi so kan say na wo gin say wa ya bibia ma wa anya hwe eti hye no ewurawura no na papa say eye den na obi kamfo no san kamfo no de na enu ni tirim say ni pa na bona baso e wa ya ade o preachi ye do na nso san one comment no a a free significant person no buy no enu mom na ewurawura ni tinimu ewurawura ni no mpem ama na dwiri nya ni ti bo ni say pa otimi na adentia papa so be kire ye die ntia
na me kira se
papa na esisu say e den na e bia obe post bibi on social media enipa be bra be comment positive response
good
oh I love this message
wonderful
but we na obi ba ko pe bi no aba be ka no abedi diwatem adenti na nipa beye about let's say 100 nipa beye
okay
10 obi akamfo but one person na one kamfo no ade na nitimi show netimi ye yes papa free himfa and I say oh boy
and that's it's very interesting and see because there's something about the brain
bibi wa adwene nim
if you know negativity bias I just say so offer adepa obi akamfo 1 2 3 4 5 just say a dos adwin no ebe fa ma ko bi pa ho kan no I multiply them 5 times
papa mpacho nya botre anope wo de ko brain mathematics brain mathematics wo say
so I can't hear
why ya di onipa be 5 crab
abaso na ba ko ka say oh
ankonye wanya de
bi ko no wan kan stress abi oh fine but e ha no de anka wo ye ne say na adwe no afa no
wa fa no
no pe no I multiply by 5 times
na jini ade no esa eti for de papa kan say wo betimi ayade ma nipa be 5 aboaba so na nipa ba ko bia be ka ho asem o se no si kan no anya wo de o se adwene no e fa de nipa ne kan na anya wo de no na wa de aboho mako enum
sa
wa multiply the 5 times eti ene da wo papa na na brain one fa de ye no
enti ya ne can say a single word can override dozens of compliments.
A single word, a single negative word, a
yes, can override dozens of compliments.
A bit me a dinkunim wo and some papa what in
so. Now the entire thing I say, Sana me say last week, Adreno is framed to be negative, evolutionary.
Okay.
And the Nyameshe ne said ye, over here na ebe protect be na riba e be na adebon be ba e menhwe me yi o ha na sa partner wa dwene ho egusu ho
the man ye and who said that we did exactly. Mammy for because I said that my said the bay because the other two
is not exactly. It's not a perfect world.
Okay.
Always be a welder at Chacha.
Yeah.
So all the time I'll be on the lookout. Debia is all young said be ento. Now adrenal develop a grow. Emma, a large part of the mind or brain is devoted to negativity. And the Nema Enyano.
I want to be a general
a boho. And Obama 20 compliments. Now the back was so Kawaii and say
no more for baby.
Now mathematics not started.
Papa now multiply no.
Now multiply 5 times that.
Did you bet it wabong. Is the Nippon catcher say? Nippon catcher say wabong. What is it? Brain no Nippon can one property wabong. It was a no tonum. But Papa dear Nippon can we are dear. Papa knows what I find. Okay.
The attorney said, it says, if I'm going to say, the brain allocates several neural processes. Just say, I didn't think that I wasn't focus on the panel. Nina, now go focus on the one negative because amygdala no send a message say a threat is coming. A threat is coming. A threat. No, a threat. About a threat is coming. That neural pathways in I bubble one no more call. And the embassy because I okay. Papa yeti pa because miss me ha miss you dear pa. A boy and crop from me say. Will be a casimbi. Na asamani negative. I said when you santi I say I can hear. Asamani negative part no one say you are already programmed to respond to it.
Oh.
Nyasanti ase no. Say you are programmed to respond to criticism. And someone can in of you say also why are there obo homodin. In fact, we are very good. Me head here why ye ne anamuti we two ne nkrofa edi hu adansia we why are there pana feature e bright o kan nyina.
Yeah.
And o kan say na aka de
ketu abi.
Me pesa nka wo he. But no na atu aswata na say. Ade ketu be na aka. O kan ya. Jo kan ya ni nyina.
Afedi away.
Afedi completely. Now your brain begins to magnify. A bye
Ketwana a year you know
bye
babem
no multiplying. No multiplying. We control 5 papers. Ucha B A B na ba ko
Ucha C. I want to brain be be ya C no. I want to want you be was no A wa ha B wa ha.
Wanya de. Na we de wan twa ne yi. Osua ade pam. Otwitwa ade no. Ana utwa ba ko boss. Oh. Mo ya na san de utwa. Nansa de mitwa. Nansa de mitwa.
Nansa de mitwa. Nebo.
Then na yeme. Nansa de mitwa. Nansa de mitwa. Nansa de mitwa. Enti tiasie say your brain is wired to be negative.
Ene papa we de okay ya mama yema shimio. Na say we obi a wo tight negative words bebre dia. Ene ewu wadine no. We pura kra.
Uf ba bia. Da bia ya ka kire wo.
Na wabon. Wonya de. Wonya fe. Ona mfiamfia.
We pura. So when you're resilient in life, your failure has already been decreed. Yeah. When you're resilient,
Papa say resilient and say.
Just say I was say when you're winter.
And when say when you obi a wa we attack so we bia. Obepra.
If you say your brain is already wired to be negative. And situationally
and so I kasa kire wo.
Yeah, boho.
Yeah, boho.
Ba kumpo na multiply 5 times now better than 10 times.
Bakupona ya kind of 5 times. Wow.
Akoso say obi ba ekotro.
Yeah, exams. Yeah.
Akoso catch them. O ba cho exams no. Na e bia JHS na answer me na what if in crop bia no. Akomo kotra. What here?
Who vigilators no?
Who?
Vigilators share. Ukwa mema tri so.
Ma tri so.
Etubo say na abo share exams ne den. Young and Intino so ho and that was especially junior high school and no first time Muntino.
Right.
Etibose why who's a who be a bow.
Right.
Met me ayeni.
Right.
Met me ain't and no I think says Sabrenam na you junior high school and I say JSS no and no near dear na loud pa.
Right.
As a negativity a who's so invigilator. paper no so nim de eba yi nkrofo so akeka nsem bebre yes examination hall no ntimi ma uti so
papa ni papers ya di
yes papa we the papers adin yes maths de adin yes science de adin nti no papa no nti ehu nko a because won she dan ye exams ya ye de makọ gu ba bi da bia mo nyina mo classroom na mo ye exam yes bibi de BEC eti ye de mo kọ ba bi fofu normally so dodo na mo kọ outside the school me kai say ye ho no sa adura na ye free school mo de ye ba adum ho ba bi na ne ye betro enti ba bia wonim ho da na ye sande wa ba bewura ho no papa na ehu wom pa na vigilators no hu ene paper na nkasa
adenti necessary ye ma enkora kai de me can last week me can say the younger the brain,
yes,
the deeper the imprint.
Na se adwene no time enyini foforo no ade bia obeyebia insunsuanso e ba so no so e won wan kasa e di na wu
tibisa ho say what are we doing to our children in GHS? Only in I have always said there's no need say akwara na okoto GHS media GHS me say menyaya anka BC yetwam.
Okay.
Oh yes, I have a very good reason for that.
Papa Mpacho repeat. Who say?
Menyaya.
Unyaya.
BC.
Enka BC yencham.
Yeah, and so.
I didn't hear.
Okay. And the Akrabian from about 83 the brain is still a developing brain.
Okay.
Now it sounds a brain no naturally a wired for negativity into no. So uswa. Now if you are situation for instance say on you good as a result of a competition.
Okay.
Oh magnify sab adi ayeke ya.
Yeah.
Say the negative, the amygdala no, there be a sounding a threat. Again, almost a problem with yourself, especially when they reach adolescence.
Yes.
And dynamic has
who need that.
Exactly. At the most turbulent stage in life. And most of our GHS students, they are about pre-adolescent and adolescent.
Yes.
And to do one more or control as one yard. No, if you are saying internalize it.
Yes.
What do you would anymore? So 1 yard, 1 nimadi, 1 tiadia, so what do you a cosa?
Yes, a cosa.
Now, your cultural exams. Now, all the exams, no, it's an official way to cement the fact that you are poor, you are not good.
Papa repeat it.
It's an official way. It's a statutory way. It's I said.
On minus they are two say. I'm calling your nature.
And by a 13, a 12, a be 12, be 13, a be 14, a be 15. Now catch us wabon. So you have that mentality now they will secondary school.
Because there be a resource in the buy and the BEC resource in the buy, no. Now and shut down koye.
It's one seamless. Free primary school now, kindergarten now, primary school. Now we have secondary school. In secondary school, no, if you say 8, what do you need to say kakra? Okay. And you hold you assess what.
Okay. It would all be prefer say akwadano sa brena adolescent na or 12 years and 11 years 13 14 and ye ho na wo ba be use bibi e dia ba be bu ne ho akonta say woni made na so woni made na mum so wotimi ko na nim do senior high school no na wo ba wie no wo be kyo wa say ho ne de na dwene no anyini kama a obetimi ebeti wudi susu dia be susu a eye eti ye di ye ma na wu
e mu che say okọ Japan omonkura no akora bi tene ba eco school Ghana ha because we did 1 year, we did 2 years.
Yes.
2.5.
E bi kura de omo ko crèche no.
E ko yen sorry. Me ba me last one no. Me ne ko school be sin sorry. Me bi fu ye no. And am ka me fa ne kokra after me kutie school.
Ye ko ji akwada no school
2 years no.
Uzo ko ye exam.
And e ko wi a se wa ya de. And am yi ni free ho. What is that?
It is something because I can't imagine crying.
What does mean why you are there? Odu one niaje. Because at that stage in Japan, a play, a channel language, a channel how to play on things. No more kosa, I'm play. A good year, yeah. Legends. I cracked 2 years. You say any test. Eti yadi we saw a defeatist mentality into the minds of our children right at primary school to JHS. Wobe wura secondary school no na just my maybe I drop it out by JHS or maybe me yade.
Yeah.
But because by JHS some of them were here are able to me here. Maybe a carpentry and joinery.
Yes.
Masonry. catering, a Greek. And you may be able to me a skills. You have a son, man, now, costume can come from. Grammarian, grammatical knowledge, grammar knowledge. And yet, Nema, you can't never see any practical knowledge. The Abwa Germany economy, a apprenticeship. My professor or supervisor may work PhD, no, or a German.
Wow.
Or Bagana beto Nema.
No, Pam,
or one a Pamanari.
Professor, no, I show PhD. Or Pamadi,
appear to come in Pam.
Maybe a grammar, brofu, no, you first skill, no, retu, brofu. That's not quite me before for
at a media. I am still opposed to JHS far. Money Moko Tresams. And to be say what they are much we are. Yeah. They get wild. You don't find that in a secondary school. Check it. Among treasures in secondary yes, my JHS because they have this fear. Rebecca see a bone, Rebecca say, it doesn't whole tunnel. You know what I tell you, as if so we baby were come swaba. And that is one thing. Don't sow defeatist mentality into your child's mind too early in life. And yet, as yes, time to do, now you retu, yet you would I a man who say, my bone. Primary school, and because I'm a we have 4 years. They make up primary school. Positions in exams. You did first.
Yes.
The author some you know. The author some you son. The author some 9. Nana metari.
Now I'm tired. Yeah, frefra.
To me, minimum say yeah, free.
Unim say what they which at all.
Maybe ameda. And you be from account kwa. Na o you are more last refon. Na comfort them say ebe wonyo you timi.
Yes.
And o be bomi na makodi the next line. To whom me. The make am teacher ba say the o no one pay school ba my class. One party suya. You ever know Joseph Maira.
Yeah, people check quite baby. You know,
if I have a baby, say, come and have a I say, I am a quite. I was also swine. Say me to 22. I say, good. Moya,
also 2022. And it was as a moya. Class and moya do say.
Send me 100. No, to them to us.
Okay, yeah.
22. Okay, Jimmy,
we are 22, no, what also 22.
Simple. I say, me back to our last one on any year. Let you know. I'm class 3 and class 4. Now, I'm back to say 4 and 5.
Okay.
Now, I don't know, more numbers no more. And see, the OS of Thomas Becky to second. Now, Nanya say 5. That's why I asked him Becky. No, Becky said, no, okay. I was second. I said, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 2 and 5.
2 and 5, the end so. Nessa papa, imagine Sabria now cast a class. Now we talk class of 22. Now also 22. There's some minimum sawawe. At that time, no, you see educational standard no dia retua. E chesa papa wo dia enwuma sua dia wa bonkura.
Ma bonkura.
Nessa wo enwuma sua dia wa free mukura.
Menka ho.
Eti papa ye den na utimi we a professor na you are in your 40s. And now we a professor. Eti obi etimi ya write you out sana.
Yes, mean to me ye.
Yes, to me ye no.
Very important question. And that will mean say the brain is a developing organ. Adweno enyini me come ani no na me hu say some me moye na teacher ni bia na me won wo class won akosua
yeah
e bronko a
obusa
or the bar 1 + 1 - 1 + 2 10 no the penance no me onsa I didn't know chin life I don't know why I was like that but me chin punishment
yeah
and na me chin enimtiebu
yeah as a bu abem
I noticed something when I was growing up na me make one say I was and say I choose certain relationships. Now, me who say, oh, it's psychologically recommended. baby bia obehu negative energy bia don't go there.
Baby abedru be say abamubuo ebu go nsem wa ye kan e ma obu ho abofia wo se firi ho
immediately
jani firi ho
bia wombu
obi a womuwo
wo ya ade bia
no odidi watem
onhye
unkran
wo de adwuma ma na wo ya one day bia ni wo krobeka se
obebu abaso da wo se men kama atimu nya wo de
men ka sankrofo no move away from
jani na je wo kranko.
They will destroy your self-esteem. They will break your sense of self-image. Woman, yo, I'm telling you. Hey, my practice for 26 years as a clinician, my stories and catch me the way people have destroyed people.
Yeah. Omodu man no kan sem abamubuo. Eti papa futu baby a wo bi abam obi na wo ni date.
Hey.
Obi na akofa na damfo.
Move.
Obi na ne nantie.
Move.
Obo abubuo obo bam na wuntimi nye na wo ye hwan na odidi watam ade ketua bia na wafa ho na odi gu onimu ase ade bia o disrespect na no kasa nye e so bia me say o ye kurase ni Game na je wo kura nkwa free sa naninte free sa environment
so one free ho
obehaw because the bia no the ebe free energy no nye papa
energy no is bad negative energy because you psychological pain response to criticism and you be account response near there be kind of shock and denial just say your initial disbelief. Oh, no, okay. So shock and denial. Because no, I don't think I heard. If you are Obertoman said, what did you say?
It didn't okay, no.
What's the name? No, I'm better repeat you. No, what's the name?
I know me cast wabum.
No, I can't be you. No, I come as well. So what the mind does, the brain does is that it buffers the blow.
Wow.
The blow run was shit, but the brain buffers it. And the amount be a question.
As who say something and nipa na kan ye pa.
Now amount buffer. Kakra say ori be bisa. So that's the first response.
A shock.
Second one no, anger and defense. Both say or fight response aba obo yefu and now cancer my old
not just some catch him
as an academy
as a man no
so when you power me papa
to me now cast some chemi me boss mo
go send my dear no and the difference and even a counter attacking over counter attacking
wow
oh yeah bo me buan hwe umbu ade anger third one no rumination na hanu na sister be your friend last week in the kind no akoshe dem hanu
no jinjine ho
owie eposa upu isa kan
ya upusa
the sorry sebe ya uhu udwa ya bon se na moa
yes
omo didi wia no akoda ho na upu isa
sasa wo afi na wo begine ho
fe na wo dwini pain no
edi papa first in the best shock the toss be over respond we in a way bibi abufuom anase wo bedi dia tem bi
ya na nkofo atetem
ya na say den tokwa beba
ya wo de jamu na sa no
but the toss me yensa fe na abetena se adwene
mo na wo kofi te bi a wo drive na if a mental replay
na
adna ba me se ko jimi pa woni mu fu
na shase
no ai
ashimio
me no see me who she no ah god na this again can what question them you are quiet
why din show
a man particularly
a man
it is a man relational
the penkita hudie
exactly enti oba nipa no a o ka sa kire no mama bi a wuti me nsemi how ka kire oba wa cross the red line.
Papa, we go say Bema wuti repeat wo my papa.
Asemi yo how catch oba say wo yire say obi abe ware no. O catch ne pa wa cross the red line. Number 1. Say oba fa ya obi mu. Na odi ya no e kasa na wanya abotre. Na wa ma no ya response. For example, oba fa efuru. Ena efuru no say oye oyire na o girlfriend. Na ebi a one day munya kasa And how can I say, made in your squassa, saying you send quite say, what cross reply? The why and say, what trigger a certain painful response now? Am I relation or Nessa Korano? Say, I need say, relationally,
yeah,
and settle it. And away a significant
and that will be a demo na brabum and a will be one more castle we are say
two. Your boss say, I regret meeting you.
Men no me who say me share walk
cross.
Men no me who say me worry walk
cross.
Who can such our bar?
What cross?
What did them?
What cross? Oh, you're dying. She will go. No, she will go.
What I didn't call?
She will go. And see, I say rumination, the mental tape loop. And then rumination.
That's a nipa ne jinjine ho. Na bob
when you good. Wabon. When you marry, wadi yan yefe. A bossa rumination. Rumination. Nti mo say oko kodampemu oko tre.
No battery. A jinjine ton so. No ho.
Na the more akoso ya won dwene ho no.
Yeah.
The more etetewo. The more blood pressure ekosoro. The more na I am sure anxiety the more cortisol some hormones am can say if you go be adrenaline the more na ehiegu the more na amygdala no it won't be so the rumination part is the most destructive part.
Nese baby I won't ho no na wo replay na ono na ehu obi aka de bia ye wo ya ana obi ya de bia ahyewo na ade na shoko na de to so biem ama wo de abufuo aye bibi ana wa respond in a negative way na eche wo te wa wo dwendwene ho no se wo da wo mpa so ana wo drive no ho no na se papa se wo ahwe a ebe proud papa woman ne kwa chira ade ache so
na obi o ha o sheda na wakoshe no odwendwene me ba kire how to allot time for rumination obet me allot time say ade ma wadwene enjine yenti 20 minutes ma menjwene de o kan no
yeah
20 minutes no cut no so you structure it
okay
o structure no say okay ma menjwene ho
okay
I
didn't answer. Okay.
Now, if you say what the rationality, what the adrenaline mudaho.
Okay.
To rumination so pa. Now I move to the next stage. If I'm integration, at the integration, if you will be say I reflect say, is there any meaning in what he said?
Yes, Papa. Who can I say? Sa breno a replay no. Ma hun e bia meka say me be dwentwene de o kan ye no ho. Be 20 minutes per. Na say won me stretch ni bebre. I didn't know kan say Adam aye bibia na I say wo dwentwene ho. Eti ye ne say ba me ma ne ntra so obi wa anadwemu ni nyina untimi na ade a chia na ekuta. Ma ho break akra bi na. And also we are no move ko he.
And only integration.
Okay.
Now woman ho break akra na or reflect.
O dwentwene ho.
Only a reflection. Now oh share is there any iota of truth?
The kind no kura bi wo mu ana.
Say I criticism bi o ha. No kura wo, but one can hear. No, so what can hear? Even a constructive criticism.
Ne so be betimi aka de bi so de tenetene.
Exactly.
Enka no kura wo but nipa no wan hunu ka. Wan kan yie o ma ne ya adapetwa. Anasa atem didie. Anasa wo de ka bibi ma ne hyew. Eso na asam na wo kan ye no na ye no kura mpa wo mu ade.
Exactly.
Ampa wo kromfo. Ampa wo ye trofo. Wa wonim se wo ye trofo. Wa ade no ba just say do sika na ashoko and but say wa wo ye pesaminkum ya wa wonim but as a shock ba wa no say wo tena sena papa wo dwendwene ho wa tumi say wo ye dwamamofo ade no de wo tumi say wa ya wa tumi say wo nka no kore wa wo gitum wo nsa ha wo kakra
exactly
but
and doesn't make you you are imperfect but you are worth a while.
Okay.
You are worth living. Just we are imperfect.
Yes, from so
exactly
because we are nipa.
Exactly.
But no chese wo hu hia.
No emu unipa yo no animtia.
Okay, me masa de na wo mu say no kre. Wo mu say papa say okay, o ko say what.
Exactly.
Wo mu say no kre say what trofo.
Exactly.
Wo ma wo chat ro.
Exactly.
Wo mu say adwamamo ne de. Cheat ni de wo cheati. Wo mu say sika na de wo fai. Wo mu say konkonsa no wa na akodi. But eno nkyere say ebia uye nipa ya na uye no unya nipa bia na uhia
exactly
okay
uhia mfaso so
okay
wonte ase obi ebenya won so mfaso obi
na mmom ba bia chia
enti start some rumination period no now where your reflection
na dwonjene ho
now okay let me say hano
ampa de okan na enokre
na but adena we nyina one can once no one who says any panos on so one what and ube you so no e confront no gen
yes
so sister kosia I don't know we maintain bi
na se wo be ko nipa ntin
we maintain bi madwene ho a mahunu se no
kure okan no enokre
bi
okay
but me wan say wan hu bibia baby house am family obo se ebe tono so say me nipa
we deep
they said they want we nipa
yes
they me bibi me say
yes yeah
minim ma ho odene
yeah
but
nti wo hu bibi papa bia wo me ho
memory yan
kwa na hu ye oh
nti say o ka me ma ho odene
kakrampa
sanka be she me nkran nanka me gina so na me dia build it
they
anytime you help people project and now identify their strength you provide a platform for growth
na se bre bia obi mpo atachia wo baabi wo be ko ne nchen se wo kwa akotene no na wo be ka ne ma bia wo ye ho ade ne baabia wo bomode baabia wo di ne huni wo ka na ho ode a ansa na wo de enye ne ba e manipa ne timi nyini dansa wo de ase atebie de enye no nko an beba
and the constructive criticism the focus is for growth
wo treat nipa yi a but time say be ma nipa na nyini papa de wo kan me reading what the book of Revelation won say Jesus Christ actual letter the command the seven churches. Now I was just looking at the strategy of Jesus or the or say I know your faith, I know your love, I know your good works, you are doing better than before. What come for more but
that's constructive criticism.
Papa, yes, you're a psychologist.
Oh yeah, he's a greater psychologist. He's a greater psychologist.
Oh, Papa, I was amazed. What come from say me na come from me say come any beji o. But I say, but remember your first love. What free we can do no. But one friend no any kind. And I'm say Papa, a psychologist.
And there's another part in that.
Seven churches no.
Yes. Smyrna. And Philadelphia.
Okay.
Philadelphia. No, Philadelphia. Samana na baako. Womono Philadelphia. Yes. When you and him. Meaning that say won money bia.
Yenka
money bia.
Ampa.
Yeah, don't create it.
I so be ha ade shin bakase me hu no ho ya fe do
I say me can be. I say me can be. And ni ma hwe
na papa no says man free ba
kala no eno no ye jealousy
ye ni bre
your time any time won hunu hwe
won hunu hwe
won hu de ye no kan ye no
but I want he say nipa no and one dress ya man ho ya fe come on
want me perfect but yesu baby you hunu from so no
okay but no ko den kamfo na di kan
no den kamfo so asom so a wen hu boni bia no so no
wan ka ho asem wow
waka nepa no ko a e bi say no
so mon to aso nkosi awie ye
enti eye jai sayo na ka ho do
guys are your
shock and denial, anger and defense, rumination, integration. Last one no a resolution. Afena why do I say okay magiatum but me yi the okan no enye no Abraham no ma isolate no de ebeboa me no mafa
okay
and at the resolution you have accepted and you are taking the best for yourself asembia obi beka bia no e wari be friend interpretive framework and not interpretive grade and they said you would over ya benkwa na won some abet
yes nine
so obi can someone your mind sees
okay what's on so
and start first sensation what is okasa
yeah
na fe akọ perception perception efe o so ne so na fi akọ resolution de ye no na fi waje de ye no
what watching
nti enye nsem nyina na ye tia ye di achi
oh enye nsem nyina na ye tia ye di ebi wa sese wo so we ehu hia
oh to twere
obi se no brusco to baby brusco to no brusco to baby ye bibia na so
dabi
ebi we se otim say na we kura we papa wonim strategy bia me so aboa me when it comes to bia negative criticism
right
say obi ka asem bia achia say the woken me gine ho asem na wokan ye no the fact is say wo gine say no kura che say hu hia say me ba level
no we have an avoidance
che say papa me ya me gine say the fact is say wo betimi agine say no I said we between Sanjini we betimi about me kura che say papa there is no need for me to waste my energy to waste my brain on it because I thought maybe I would level now me show a level of thinking
sadly
papa hear me show a level of thinking no it is the fact to say you can act that way no I don't know the reason why I'm out genesa I know the one kasa wo bed in carry but enya dia me ba be fa na me na be me property enti me show a level of thinking and recently na ye be din komo about financial you know be Sunday comment be say the enti me say microphone tia tight papa the fact is say oba ho no man na anya argument ko
no
oh my whole level baby I want nya ho na me wo etinya afi na be argument na afi na be cheche na the enti say tia tight dey be it is sometimes we okasa ana obi ma no ka bibia me we ade no eti me hu say wagene ni mu ha.
That's right.
There is no need for me to explain myself.
Exactly.
And a waste of it because me church I want to say baby a level of thinking no.
I was a bit from perspective taking.
Okay.
A bit from cognitive empathy.
Okay.
And who really panel?
Yeah.
I do say you know the level here.
Auntie ye nya no. Ye nya man baby at 10 years time na.
Woman for
about 10 years time na we do ho ai na ye Janice
woman for we me Osomfo Joseph Osafor me ne Kosia ani atrasi na just say enia ye boa wo papa mame enka we na fe yanko break ni embra we just bread pastries was say sa wo pe kinka dokono a hot convenient tasty clean yeah, dokono a yede nine etiatia na yede fitino bi na bi we de ye nya botra kasa hohoro ye nsane chese machines ahoro a yede ya no o kama o say environment na wo ye no neat papa akwenye 3 cities na sani amasia a store na yesia package no kra unkra komkra bedewo o say okoye ye na enkopa biare bia dokono just bread and pastries o say oba Ubenyebi. Event bia bulk purchases are available. The Obeyan say from domain behind Ghana Commercial Bank. I say from 025 606 8832 025 606 8832. Oh friend one. Also Ubenyebi. I say make your kinky experience easier, healthier, and more profitable with just hot kinky. Omanfo, be jamming home.
Yes, can you hope you Joe's bread and pastries.
Joe's bread and pastries.
Yeah, no. Yeah, the Joe's hot kinky abba. Dokono papa no.
Dokono papa no.
I find na ube kojo. Akoto to a bro. Abecha ho sente. Ababa ye dokona kwa koton. Wa bra Joe's hot kinky ewo ho. 3 Ghana cedis per.
3 Ghana cedis per.
O say price no. Ube tu na wo kwa no akwa koton. Eno an se wonya woni ma na wo dia boss. Enti some bread introducing Just hot kenke. Ye de ebro papa ehu cha ene ye dia ye. Baby ye no nso. Eya hunidi nko highly clean environment. Ene no chi no obo adiensa no naturally nice and it tastes good. Enti ye comfort the amount say just hot kenke. Mo amoto dokuno nyina. Ema mo ncha mo ho biem. Ema mo mre biem. Mo metum free en chen. Eye 3 Ghana cedis per.
3 Ghana cedis per.
Joe's Bakery, Dome, there was commercial bank at Chihuahua, the open door to now a friend 025-60-688-32. And just say, dear, Joe's Hot King Benti, and one is a Uber 2 ya. Now would ya quack see what corner hot now tone. Joe's Hot Kinky, Hot Kinky, yet dear Bow Punano, way a year pops.
Hi, you're from me Abna Ruthie. From Monday through to Friday, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. sharp. Share me. It was Sompa 106.5 FM. Midday Sompa Delight. Bro. Sompa Delight, a social entertainment program. Ebema entertainment, information, and education. Onia, sawati de wahoni nadida. Afi, and anya dance no eba. Sompa Delight is a unique blend of entertainment and purposeful conversation. Frobi, no be Frobi, no be so Frobi. Nakashane say, Abna Ruthie, it was Sompa 106.5 FM. Now, or they Sompa Delight, bro. Sompa Delight, where entertainment meets impact.
106.5.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albesaki Kwambo.
Oyunyankupon di for Wastrano Ewe Brim, and I'm Nensaso Ama Onyankupon Reyawan what yepi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us Sompa First Service. Our home a new TV program keke. A bra or so near Sasisia. A bro Yankupon Casa Chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
And Sompa First Service in Chawo Home Hoda. A Yadrada Kusi if Yadanopa. Anopano Nunkusi Anopanunsia. Fawodaning in our share radins. Na erade beye.
Famous. Yeni emrenka so. Na so ahwe ya amanyenti. Makika memre so asiesini. Oh. Akamaya samopan. Akwada hu dachi anana ni aje. Opani twana ni anani raho. Mara hu sampa na mikai. Mintam kesia na me bosi. Memranti bremu mentia futu.
Omrante bemo wenti afutuo nanso enka chie afutuo na na yede ebre no obi se na me de me of amboa me ma me amboa me nua amboa me oha me boa kan tum na je mboa
anka ma yesa mo pen suku yi ma ufo de me kobi nanso koda boni se
akosanti we are back na akosan se obi yako school no akra bi wo ha na oy left handed
yes akoda bi ordinance
sabonkum
and the true yes
ni yaburu noa ni adane a teacher for be mo amoye san shame to you ebesi ne some of the schools ni bi obekon say no na akra no because teacher no nobody supervises the teacher no left handedness originated in the brain.
If you are dreaming,
if you not dreaming, the answer I dream no. If I be say contralateral control, I dream ya chim half seconds.
Okay.
A hano a control.
Okay.
And a hano
a control. Okay.
To be a we left-handed no. This part no are more active.
Okay.
You are rewiring the brain. I feel say obviously osua ade bi na o dandan ni ma ade boni pa na e man kra no bi hunu say they are not worth it onima de wa bon ono ye fa left in trouble because a culture yeah mambre mu no o de obenkum atwira just say umu ade
and now the ubenkum kra che panyim kra ese umu ade culture keke
we say o de benkum no e bi ade fafa no o de chi obi a umu ade na ese e ka hosam e be say e plan crofo teacher ni betmi ahwe ne the teacher who looked at the boy a very top school teacher ni hwe catch and say you will not pass your exams.
Hey, unso hen uncha.
It did me team for years. Now I draw SSC exams. So I draw 3 times with Philly. And I say, come here. What's wrong with you? I say, my teacher. Let me say, no idea. I was now class 4. Now no teacher na some
significant or teacher na some ti obi a open na some so no ya de etimi
one dey brawa
one etimi
na obi am penasa na oba kan
kan ya open na senti na wo mama na sa papa kan bibi sa
wo kan wo brawa
wo pa
enti akosia sa de no left handedness en fansa benkum ntro na oboniti ho na oboniti ho anabi akwa no osua atro kra ebi a right handed no osua atro na ntro nyefe ya babu sa na fe me say me patro teacher boy me wa atro ho ntimi atro ye ya bro ya se won tro no man nsem na ho na we so ye den who correct it and far bank ho you are only teaching the child make up my first
handwriting nye enye nti watama ba
okay say book my first copy
my first copy book my first book
wait me call Dennis never did 4 years make up out and na mama no ade yes I can get no free or again or Nigeria but buy me can nimpa na also unsa no pino na edipio no me dia why baby na ke also Joseph no na ke no I say shame pino said that from F now say shella num na matcho let the learning be playful. And this is why I'm going to make a very serious statement because children learn by playing, not by punishment. Children learn by playing, not by punishment.
Enkwada edi agudie nesua de enye se wo twe na so
dabi
eti wo be se wo kira kwada de ni agudie mu no na de akire na
no say
na de
now they come again that's what they learn
na mo se wo bu no
now when they buy pe no so the count wo bon na eba no bon children learn by playing not by punishment.
Wow.
And number 2 they learn by proper supervision not by threatening. Sir, we just so who supervise no.
Now share.
Yeni say.
Afatwa.
This one.
Yeni
say. Good.
And
then children learn by great amount of social reinforcement. And wonderful. Wow. No, sir. Now they come again. Mama, let's do it again.
But we try na nko ye. Ne no try no pa.
Okomo so ko netiko. No question them. Enti wo baby a wo free wanim. When you are correcting, when a child is leaving your presence, ebi awo o correct no leave your presence bia kwa no. You're emotionally sensitive. Mo ni nechi. Na hu akra sexes a wa send na konfo 8 years na hu. Wo free when you na want me no. Dinachi na fine.
Na sa krokro no. So be sorry, me sorry kra man ka say.
Okay. Don't process that revulsion when it's anger in the child. Eti more emofra edi on left extra there.
Eti papa said there is nothing wrong say akwada de nsa left extra there.
Nothing wrong.
Efum so bi ani ho.
Left-handedness omo ye good papa. I'm telling you. Their right brain works. Enti omo they understand visual spatial abilities. Send ye si share niema omo ye gifted.
Wow.
Because this part of the brain and very gifted enti omo sa ability ne pa enti wunya edan ne pa wo say no
ha krama
wo sa krama enti ehano na efe na obesua we ne sound so yen try na me am an ability in the left
odi ahode
mane kwan
fa ahode ne wo bonkum
mane kwan
wo dane ne de aba ni fanim ni fa no so ni ahode no ti akwa struggle sa obebre sa dan a e amamre keke
akosi me school no I'm ambidextrous just say ut me de won sam and sometimes me do baby a say me ye conscious say me ni panyin
wan hwe ya won say odon sabon kuma ye bibi
me tumi me sent ben kuma ye a lot of things pa na me kan say me school no na me tumi me twra na me bere oha na me say me di we I remember one teacher back on the bit now be me but it's okay I also have ability in the right hand
okay
and say omo anim no me say me ware me na ndi me chipa because obi say me say are you left-handed me tumi me left here there pa
na otumi say right so ya there
eti I no ka me say udu mpanyifo anima na why careful culture
yeah
eti akwanti me ba no me left me me pa say me man pick signing them and na teacher say school no and wo ye ya ndi un say akwan no ofa pen na teacher for ya mo hwe all the pen to ha akrana 3 times as a rule of thumb or then in some so left ebe so pen no sign and shall not put it here, don't do that
okay
what the man paper no or far or scribble next I want to turn on the no papa na a mouse science akrano
or your left hand
ability
na ho den no won sabonkum eti man bu sabonkum no nya adwuma man kwan
ente omo amoye mo sign na mo mfre wa we left handed bia wo bia o sa no ene ye bia lines ne pa e be frɛ akosia me ye ba ko kakra
ayo
na chameto na akosia o se obi ka sem nso kyerɛ wa they say be he the cognitive response eye adweno sɛde asem be si awurawura wo na adweno aden dan no
obi aka asem ahyewo
te de edi kan no obi be ka say this criticism means that I am not good.
Asem na nipa na kire e kan na kire me nya obi a me dimu.
Even global.
Asem me nya obi a
me nya hwe. You are globalizing.
She ni me hu emu.
You are globalizing. What the asem no afore bibia. E bi asem no kan no say one handwriting nya fe. But one can say we ni munyansa. One can say one ho nya fe. One can say was o kan sama obi grante. O kasa basa one can say was one handwriting nya fe. But some no kan
no.
What the akoka
babia
akoka we
ase wonye good enough afa babia so handwriting ye fe but no no ade adwene bia ba aba wotiri mu se ene ho nye fe ho tan wabon wodi me nye hwe abraboi enkosi babia eti wa so na ade ba ko bi no kokan na se wodi afore wabra
wodi afore babia. Why did you do that? Why in the same? Because you failed to do what you call compartmentalization. You can say compartmentalize a commenter. Comment na nipa na kan isolate it for where it belongs.
Fakoto baby say wo de to.
Or see where your handwriting.
Yeah.
One can say where intelligence. Your handwriting. And handwriting okay. And same
no na enye but me anya bia so minima de pa minim nyansa mitimi minima duana
na and even the compensation you say me handwriting ayenti and na me ho so ye fe no and you compensate it's okay and also I am here the sister now say okoshe dem
yeah
no odwini antumi na ontumi no akosia most likely sa no hoye she's globalizing.
Odia fa babia.
Na ebra wonya bere. Na wo dwene, na wo tretre mu no. Enti se de wo de nsuo kɔ ba ko aso nsuo ani. Obom se eso ani a spread ripples. Enti wo dwene ho no, you are creating the mental ripples. Ebe fa babia. Enti me ntro ye fe. Chese me kra me ho ye fe. Jamani ntina kwesika say me kra no ya na menima ekusu no
na etoato so
jamani ntina mo kan say me ne kra yefe no da no kwesi so kan say me kra say me na church bi sa de me ntima kan say me kra me to kra yefe no o say
ekosa net wudi ka ho wudi ka papa temperament no ho amu na sa de wei etimi ka wo mo pa sa melancholy for no
wo mo melancholy for no omo high propensity for depression. And now, omo deep thinkers.
To the bet what
Until obi a usu and they say obi can sama wo fifi mu Bible mu contours na adwene na ebi ho sana adwene
because me see am baby
no dey see ani
me can say be papa dem nisi makakọ no say send no a melancholy
yeah no bra
me wan no ba at mark ko say asem na wo kan no magine ho a oh magine ho a na me busa me ho say afa papa interpretation by 1,000
and I say yes
same way what Jesus
so me tell you
when I'm saying auntie na no we say no etina na no wo kan say etina me de ma de to one boy etina me say we one farm mama no afa papa na me to na I was shocked
because mama be please let's now
papa I was shocked.
President, how will you describe your temperament? My president, she's grown on a number of things. President, we are clinical psychologists. Infant say, "Obi melancholic, melancholic for what can assembly na assembly room say no margin no is a work.
Okay, melancholic for no. And now kind deep thinking into your bedroom or person who didn't see only papa that's a thing. Then they want to know I don't know cancer or bedroom one say na me
okay
me bibi no kaya and I bibi wo me munti ana and they omo the likelihood of being perfect.
But so you
prepare. Instead, na wakasa asem no because in the mind no, kameyen ye. Today na wrong. Today biya o hwehwe where went wrong. That is the issue.
Na eno sa no, all dwene ho say what went wrong then they call wrong. I didn't know cancer no. Then na emotions ma think ya na then na esesa ho.
E break you mo.
Okay.
Because a person or perfect say I didn't in mind then suddenly then I'm not good. Near why you na ye zero.
Oh.
Hey. The little one pena okaza anye na now criticize and now cast you won't so you say like hey. Intine my ni na only pakoni na.
Right.
And that's where the interpretation akusia kan say nti anti na dan nti why broken na fi the nsema any ho kra
no they beka ho
then they are sad, they are thinking, they are not confident anymore. And it's the emotions a break you very deeply and so only back when I'm showing here they can start on anger nice yasa na build it na bit me resentment after there most was we reacted to the thing
as a stream
one so na nya asem no in some minutes no what can boom and I exploded so because na the kids we na onua na we say so na nya enye na asem last 3 weeks asem no
are they good in keeping records and analyzing things? Okay.
They remember everything. Everything, where it happened, where they were, what clothes you were wearing. That's how they are mind. It's a resource. A bit me up but so one manager and I can't pay. And one of the issues in the say I didn't know if I can say. So they will put it's like making a maybe a game now puzzle, yes. Or bed Tinina Beka boom na a big picture. And you are wondering where
when you have picture the free.
Papa,
Mammy Musa no cassa omo ye perfectionist. Enti oye bibia wonim so oye bibia. Na so omo no muti no. Omo do omo nyam fom so onyeza.
E bibet mi abasa say owo ni tim onyam fom so. But because of ne ono no maybe snowbia ni say ebe play out.
Okay.
Obi wo ha because in the mind all you the best in on who say there's anything wrong.
So they pursue perfection.
Okay.
And they all pursue perfection in who say the chiacha.
Okay.
Because now you know
the way be
right.
Sana dream mo. E to ko cancer bibi nya.
How?
But some year way me the way to her. Me checki bibia no pay me ban ma mo bia ni bibia today ni say. Ba mo bia bibia so one free asimesi.
Right.
And that is where the loophole is, and you must be open.
Right.
Today be a proper can be say flexible mind.
Right.
How we be say okay. I cannot always be right. Need to mean you're right all the time.
So I'm for some maybe lines. I go say Emma back on 1 minute if you be lines. I go say some crop for. What can we do to help them?
Papa, this old boy because it's a boy I'll cover me because she be confused me say. I said big brother me me can keke.
As a man am go
I say we dey. Na say we dey anko yo. We dey minim say mawie. Afei a chan nipa me tumi say wasesa. Enyi say no tie. Am say na me hu and almost when say bibi ho mo nye open.
Nebi.
They withdraw.
They
withdraw. So omo ma enti na me am ka so no. Na me say ade eye die na ade die na because as me hu say wasesa on say bibi. Na me say no da bi. Me hu eti papa me kra no na dwene no menkai ade biam ansa no obeka se sa asem na wo kan no ma dwene ho na me dwene ho no ena me hu se se wo mpem ena enti na no me frɛ wo no wanfa no ya enti na me frɛ wo no wanfa no
Sanko for no draw conclusions
easily.
Yeah enti na me frɛ wo no afa na mate ase afei na mate asem na say ampa umpɛ masem eti na dan no so me de ma ade ne si no pagya na ade kosi ha afei papa che say ade na fa afei na wonim papa mete won I was shocked eti na me ko ready about mo nam say eti say no mo tie eti say me be ka bibi kura me trase ha ya na papa
they are number one, they are deep thinkers.
Okay.
Number two, they are record keepers.
Yes.
Number three, they pay attention to details. Number four, they make sure they will avoid certain mistakes. And honestly, say open obia, it may be a precision. Say obey yemana see. Na jet to jet. Don't give it to the sanguine.
Okay.
Don't give it to the phlegma. Most likely obia or melancholic cola.
Yeah.
Cola no piano ma they work hard.
Yeah.
And melano emma obeso should be into the brewa is bringing the best a resource. But when you flip it the other way, it can be a problem. And they almost to me they depressed quickly and they draw conclusions very fast because I don't work fast.
It's almost no one conclude say any own permassentia.
So historically, most philosophers, any great scientists, they are melancholics.
Oh wow.
They are very deep thinkers, and you are thinking very deep. They make time for self-reflection. Say obiena dwumua no onyinia because they are people you don't want to lose in your life. Because they will deliver.
Yeah, they are sending
but say when one come beyond that, they are a pain to work with.
Any papa no pay topic here we treat how to manage any big problem.
Hey, you say
what be a
now no maybe focus on now how do you deal with it?
Yeah.
And then criticisms will come. One a bang a criticize. One a way criticize. One a brow bar in criticism. Or mobile palm.
I was a promise.
Number two, say you criticize what natural what you need negative. And you can't and the pattern what near the abonine back of Femua. Abonino Kwana, why do you need any the rest I can because the brain is wired to be negative. And I want also by your temperament who feed them all. I think you try a choir offer so in the response emotionally. Say I best start with denial. Now call anger. Now I trust resolution. So I say we do it here. Once my integrity at the end, if they also okay, my isolated no. If they me ya to change. Now my kodi panicha say the old kind no. Me humpata different. Now so Ntonso hu
bibi papa bia wo me ho mama baso
mama baso na fe ye hwe the way adwena nkasa cognitively mentally say your processing fa ba ko ne say you are likely to globalize it yade ba ko be no kan say won chiro nye fe wankasa wani mu ye fe wankasa wonante ye fe wankasa skin color ye fe wankasa wig ye fe o say watade no color ba ko no enko papa eno be no kan what dia for be dia na waka matade mu asem chebe ka me nan asem le chebe ka me asem le chebe ka we and you are thinking, and oftentimes they engage what they call mind reading. So they insert thoughts.
Oh, at the tool.
Exactly. To say here, akwansafo Moses mom no. O say to say maybe when him na sounds no Moses hu ye. Na hu say
because who knew imagine.
When imagine. And they read your mind and they insert thoughts into you. Amanfo onyame sha papa ye be say be phone lines no na monfre emayen ye the lines be na adwuma nde 0260 196064 0260 196064 and a second line here 0260 196065 0260 196065 from me na yindi enkomo azan la sala yao me ba cho wana online si
hello the family do no kata so ya fa
okay
anopedia mama machine dia papa
hey wait just na wa school
I'm emotional intelligent you go be na ma even later party mana ko ni amu cheche no
okay
oh ni madam ko na unya ke bi no no dike biamo asema nya so no it go maybe one cheche adi a meme nyen susu hu so me campo no bozo me de bisa wasema mama mwa ene ni awu paso kuchiri na kwa madini
wow
dia no dika jamo da dika no jamo bisa we awa mama mwa ama wa setan ni chiri na sina bi esa mama kwenya na mso chiro ni ntia dia anti program ya bane de ever for
papa why are you
na boy ma yetu ni ati ko fa ba sa na o ko fa so ni kana na tena
o chese wa be asema kan wa be pa eno krepa na o kan se e basa obemu de an onya enipa nante mu nyansa eno so me ade ameche relational wisdom enipa nante mu nyansa skills are ema boy ema enipa nante ja ye da se papa ye da se papa
ye da ma papa ye tie mu ye ni dia
ba mungu suntie papa yo aman for muntie momode ana frɛ hello bajoma na wala nsi
prof mi tiamo na pe me dera damu na aso so the start
ye wa simba che from say
da Joshua Medina area
Joshua Joshua na di atom prof di atom Joshua kasa
prof, this is very critical and very what we call significant because what Priscilla was saying is very right.
Right.
Me personally, one of the melancholic.
Melancholy.
Whatever I do, I try stay.
Okay.
When you try to criticize, now we ask some of the adding over the minimum with Mayana. And concerning the record keeping, to the one I was in class 3.
Okay.
That time, we had exams I fresh, maybe didn't and so forth, and I remember.
Okay.
Yeah, exam may be first. And I a class teacher.
Okay.
At fresh students back who Catherine said, they do to and I acquire a different. Acquire the 9 years and it a year may have the sense that since then,
Wow.
But recently, many times I would say I will get in contact with the teacher. The TNS room.
Oh.
Yes, we are one of the people who keep records and we don't want to be hurt. And I say in someone, ye can eto ye ma me ye so to say words are more powerful. Sometimes even more powerful and dangerous than even nuclear bombs and so forth. Ye can send here. Ye is very, very careful and so forth. Now you individual temperament and how you know better because one is an American because of this melancholy. Anytime I do ask questions and almost melancholy, no, almost won't take you. And now we said that
and I'm a pepper same I.
Because the person knew who exactly.
Look at
a very critical topic that I think that will be this week now. But they will manage.
Yeah, because temperament no crown. Say week here me here along the line. Maybe I can't and want some any how to manage critical temperamental differences in the way they manage criticism.
Yeah.
And Joshua, I mean, hello.
Hello.
Yes, Auntie Bacho, Efron saying, good morning. Hey, Auntie Mary. Oh.
I have a 9-year-old girl.
Okay.
Who have this anger issue.
Okay.
I try using the Bible, but it's like it's coming from the school. So like they are mature for me.
Okay.
I have to take time for my girl and even speak positive words into her.
Okay.
Because always we did a cry and we go through.
None of food.
We did a sick not to mama me see me ya. We say, oh me back. We are no good.
Where do you also where do you have 9 years?
9 years old, Daddy.
Wow.
But she's very intelligent. She's in class 6. Very intelligent. Top in class. Always she said that the friends will be saying you are 9 years.
Okay.
And you are 10 years. We are one to show you. Who are you and stuff? Daddy, it's like, and always she's home. I don't want to go to the school again.
Wow.
My friends are harassing me. So, Daddy, I really thank you for this topic.
What do you men's cry now? What you know? May yes, away no mess anger management. Yet every morning be all tea. Me church said you be see managing why? Yamisha Papa Auntie. A man for Monfrey line no 026 0260 1964 0260 1965. Hello, Bajo. One hour line you see.
Hello.
Hello, Auntie Bajo. You're from saying.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Some show me that I want the pan with church.
Bajo, you're from saying.
I'm following you.
Oh,
I saw me Sandra.
Sandra, okay.
Yeah.
Bajo, free.
The first assignment.
Ashama, Ashama for be on here. All right. Yankasa. Amen.
And it's a family.
Ebeboa, papa.
Make me a finish.
Okay.
Now, let's ask them now more coming. After the time, LFT.
Oh.
We were school. Make it finish. I cannot class 2. Maybe one time, because of the pain,
oh,
so because of that, they promoted the class by 6.
Wow.
Because now, this is also. Because man, that is school, Not can you want to my party? Listen. You started to back at 7 years. It's a start here, no. Now, my mamma, no one said down close to that now. When you my dear crying, of 1 will see.
Okay.
It's in a court school, and I didn't call class 1. Class 1 also, no. That is an can happen. I didn't know why. I'm not so money, and I didn't call class 2. Because someone was from me.
Just one son or left now, what they trains in here, boss.
Me left in after you know, my isolated. They come in quality. It is sadly in the Yasan and the even though the 80 panel, oh, friend, when you say 1 thing.
Now I am timid. Oh,
timid. After so, I found myself in a church. And me growing up, I thought I was a beautiful girl. Then one day, a pastor told me, "Oh, yes, the cry."
Oh, so for ya,
broke me. So when I thought the meaning of them are poor. So when them after the cry now me ferry.
No ferry.
Because I am the say or the surrender.
Oh.
Because the ten women yet. When no sumenya bianye.
When ya bianye. Etono so when ya bi.
Now me pastor be capture.
Bisi wa kese ma kan no. Aso wa ye tenten. Wa ye kese no ni eton so. Oh, kosa why?
Ma. It's me be and the last year pro when I am here madam. And I them have been so and I want me. If you want to make us so even the ugly girl can also get married.
Oh.
So far, Jenny dear.
What's the
meaning? It's a section. It's so days I have been telling. My husband and the wife and all women can contact her.
Who can I have dear catching a seven bonus? Your friend is saying, who can your friend say? Mr. Annan, why are dear? Sompa 106.5, your boy and some at the amount. Mr. Annan, hooray! Why are there? Ah, one boy in your bed.
Mama, we get them at the pan. Some punk won't feel.
And
one programs, very educated.
When you're
5 o'clock.
Mo
when you
mo a free and toy in Amen. Sompa 106.5.
I dare master one when I'm the one checking. I say, to my phone.
What did the other say? Gusuana tea. Now, China. A choir before somebody board in a mechanic and I know it. Why? That's a cry. You. Bye bye. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, Mama. Now, if you say now for free. Auntie Sarah, hey, Abraham, hey, Ashama for and then Matthias, you. Ashama, and what idea?
If I show you.
You can say.
If I show you, now, Adam boy, now, many have learned to this class.
Okay.
In a minute, no. Your tire age, after that, and 7 years.
Okay.
To make a service, and so my young too. And the fauna, 8 is a number. After the year, what? And it's made it. That's what I probably
ah, no, how many years?
7.
7 years. Hey.
Okay. Let's see. Wow, I probably just get one of the I say, may people now, but well, I probably won't do. Who for every person? Who for everything? How far for everything? Who didn't say when you say, ah, let me say, I don't know. Who among them are? Mama kuma yemi ya mi bibi ya mi simendi bi. Esa mi fin. Ena okasa. Ito okasa so amama ye bata. After the last week, we were back at them. Ya no ni won say ni mi asema.
Oh, Debbie. Debbie. Oh, Debbie. So sana tidia. Ha drink akra. Ha drink kura. We no say abasambu. Bu abem. Wa chese anhye won kura o kan sema bi brao. O de na otwe nyina ti Sompa Rhapsody. Ye be church so the obisi free sa oya ne ha akosia on sa adia ya na akosia meta kase ohwe de mami kan ya 7 years one on
na wa so open
and also open affiliate wonyini kakra monko woni ma wase oya brawa when somehow you cross the line you've crossed the line
ububu no kra
say o mami abrewa
papa nkrofo de yanu akuni passing more than obi said obi first call and kai more than nuclear bombs
also kan
ya yanu
ye kun nkrofo bre o
bu nkoda bam obehu akoda bi no aye timid the confidence level nyina akọ
hi
in some fin on the parent just say this akoda anye mistake na akoda ye nteretene no
because I am picking back on hello. Hello. Good morning.
Your friend Kasafi Ashama.
If I were Agnes.
Abigail.
Hey, Abigail Baron won't feel no Ashama. Yo, Abby, young
like one come no more can in our room. I am correct. Obi but near some room, not some no. Poor Ben. Not a poor cry. We are Mushia, and you say, me, lefty.
Also, we are lefty.
Who could tell Vienna, one of the left in the other at Renomasan Payamami. Not me, my listening got another, no more got another. Well, that I've been worse than yourself. No, be a left.
My brother is interesting.
Oh, you left or be a left. You just no more can. Ya na hami ya na yemi ya papa you do baby no obi ka fe na mso make dia tele obi tini ka say I left for the mabo na mso na go say left for ya bo left for your phone ya left for your ni ma bie ya tanu close ya if you only pano oka now
once we ya no akabi
do mo kan ye mi ya o ba do no mo na obi be ka tele mi say no amenya say ka me ha me do baby no make dia tele omo kana mtuma kedia so le yankopon ye madu ware ntem eni tunu na mi ware me me nshia no wa so ndi me nshia no wa market night club afi na mi shia guy na akoko ke hona guy
na so when so
na me na see the age of 17 18 19
okay
20 years and I die in the cast of the ware me.
Okay.
Many madam for na ya ko hono. Na me bo mama ni e. Omo ka yem say na be ma we so wa we na ide. Be ma we nchia no wa so ni. We nchia no market.
Night club na we share.
Be ma we share no night club at. We share. Awale papa
na be ware.
Odo wale.
Mo bu abem.
Omo ka sa pe na ma mi peni so na mi no mu din gomo no. Nto mo ko e pe na ma me pe na ka chen pe he area. Don't go to the men. Madame for no more water for putting a comment water in Papa, if it that day now they want to cast after literally. Man come out and down punch low until 20 years and I put on your madam. I die no worry me. You see, die no worry me years why. We program now send me in your makeup. Or buy a standing in our capital, where in Italia. Mounted
just baby, I'm a Fabian, I can't want some. Hey,
Adam for not than one channel.
Sister, I don't
Oh, Mr. Mommy. My children were from you. My children were from you. They said, no, 22 years, no worry,
okay.
My children is from you. But so, a woman who, you are, hey, and I bet my shine on 9 club as an hour.
When you sure say, you're more as a warring in Tia.
Okay. Ati na ochi nyina wo de ati. Abi ati. Abi ati na ochi nyina ye no ne wa ha. Ati e ma principles a ebe boa na wabrabo asi. Amanfo ye fan last caller. Na hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. But we didn't do ready no cry. If you casa, we found say what for him. Never say.